things. So now
Ma'am, then what
this is
color should
beetroot. This is beetroot. Cut a piece of beetroot. Tell your mama to help you in that and put it inside it. Just tell your mama to grate a little bit of beetroot. You can see some beetroot, grated beetroot below. So just put it inside it. It will take the color. This is turmeric powder readily available at home. Mama puts in all the vegetables. Yeah. Then this is tea bag or a tea. I use tea bag. You can take tea. You can just put tea in it and it will take the color. This is a
I
plain
have a
glass with no water, with nothing in it. Okay. Now what is going to happen is the there will be what am I going to do is I'm going to show you using the spoon how it sounds. Okay. All of you looking here or doing your craft. Chaitanya, are you there? Okay. Now what I'm going to do first. Now you always tell me what is the difference in all four of these. Open your video, my dear. Now listen carefully, everybody. Look here. Ready, steady, and go. Did you all hear anything?
yeah.
Okay. Carefully, all four I'll play, and after that I want answers from you. What did you observe? Okay, your observation I need to know. The first one I do. Again, listen carefully. Okay. Who will tell me first?
Mummy,
Yes, Vibhas. Come on,
so
Vibhas.
the
Vibhas, then
water level being different, the sounds are coming like rarely.
yes.
So the
Sounds
voices
are
are
different.
changing.
Okay. Yes, Chaitanya, can you tell me? Your answers can be same, not a problem. Yeah,
Like how
tell.
much water level is there, that much less sound is coming.
Superb. So the more the water, the more the thing is filled, the lesser the sound, the change of sound is there. Okay. So the have you heard a saying empty vessels make more noise? Have you heard it
Yes.
ever? So
Yeah.
this is now proved here. Assign, you were trying to say something. Can you go ahead with your observation?
Yeah, so the lesser the water level, the higher the pitch.
Superb. My dear Manish, you wanted to say? You raised the hand on the fourth number. Sorry? Okay, anything else? Okay, superb. Shekshana, do you have anything? Can you tell me what did you observe? Shekshana?
The water level and the colors make less and more sound.
Colors are for just reference, but the main concept is, Shekshana, that the more the thing is filled, the lesser it will make noise. So the more there is a vacuum, there is a drum. See, the way I created that drum, no, same thing applies here. So the more sound will be there, yes? So since the amplitude of the vibration of the air molecules is greater than liquid, see, we have done that, no? Solid, liquid, and gases have different levels of, you know, air, the amplitude of the air vibration passing through it. So same here. So since the amplitude of the vibration of the air molecules is greater than liquid, therefore this empty vessel is producing more sound than the filled vessel. So more it is filled, the vibration will be lesser. Now, so sound waves need space to pass from here to there. Okay, so they need some space. Now, one more experiment is there which you can practice at home, everybody, and that is of you can make your own phone kind of thing using your that what's that a paper cup if you have at home. Do you have